Hello coin engineers, welcome back to our channel. And finally, last time in 2024 United States presidential election had been won from Donald Trump. And yes, as most of cryptocurrency market, most of cryptocurrency user expected. And yes, right now I'm on the coinengineer.net website. By the way, if you wanna get an instant news about the cryptocurrency market and want to get immediately what happened on the cryptocurrency market, you absolutely need to use it. Take a look, visit our coinengineer.net, and if you want to visit website, sure, after watching this video, you can find the link, coinengineer.net link from description of this video. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna explain you, I'm gonna share my thoughts with you, what will happen and what can be happen into the cryptocurrency market after the Donald Trump's winning on the presidential elections in 2024. That's it. Let's get started. And yes, right now we are still at this website, and you can, as I said before, you can get full information about Donald Trump and its own declaring victory. And yes, but right now that's not our business and our main topic on this video. We need to absolutely take a look to graphic and chart of the Bitcoin, and in this video we're gonna using just two Bitcoin USDT at the cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin the same a futures, because that's also a matter. Why not? Because we are seeing we have a lot of gaps into and we absolutely can use gaps to prediction next and upcoming future price movements. For example, as you can see into the year, we are seeing the gap, and after that price down, and then broke up. We are seeing failure return from this demand, and then after that immediately and gradually price increasing and pulling this gap. For example, you are seeing huge gap, and what that means, if you are seeing that is the huge gap, that absolutely up 100% will price to come back. And immediately, if you are seeing, don't forget that if you are seeing huge gap, that means the price immediately after 1 day, 2 day, or 1 week, maximum 1 week, as I predicted, after maximum 1 or 1.5 week, the price will come back and then absolutely fill this gap. And right now still we have unfilled gap, but that's just so little. That's just so little. Yeah, you are seeing, just let me a second to do that. Yes, we are seeing a little bit gap. For example, look at these gaps. For example, that's a huge gap, and after that we are seeing price movement like this, but there are just so little. And especially after the winning Donald Trump, as you know, Donald Trump winning is good. That is good situation, is good conditions, because Donald Trump wanna make America great again, make America Bitcoin's number 1 country into the world. That's why we are seeing Donald Trump is 100% an absolutely Bitcoin supporter, and that's why that is a winning situation. So good condition can be cured, good conditions into the market, and that's why we right now, as you can see. And now let me check first of all Bitcoin USDT parity, because mostly we need to take a look right now. In general, if you want to see big picture, we are at the range. Actually not, because we had already completed range movement, if I'm not mistaken, from 23 February we are seeing huge range Bitcoin. And if you can remember, after that, after the accepting Bitcoin ETFs on the BlackRock, 1F, and etc., a lot of S&P 500 and a lot of other of American, United States of American financial institutions, ETFs, Bitcoin is pumping hardly from 40, even what's 40, 30 and 20 to 15 and 75, not 75, 73. And right now, after winning Donald Trump and declaring victory from Donald Trump team, we are seeing right now we are at the all-time high. $75,000, and right now we are so near. We are so near at the ATH. We're not a very lot from the peak and high points. And right now you are seeing still we are seeing next market structure break, and that can be enough to say yes, that is the end price movement to remove range situation, and that's why we absolutely can see that is the end of the range price movement. But in case, I mean, still we have a chance to see the filling SMA E gap. Because why not? I mean, there was no, if you are come back to scroll into the Bitcoin chart, into the SMA, I mean, this chart, and you can see absolutely whole gaps into the SMA chart, I mean, Bitcoin SMA chart, every time, always 100% and completely fully, and that's why I'm just thinking like that. And by the way, the video in a whole, it's not a financial investment advice because I'm not a financial investment advisor, and we are just YouTube content creator, and we are just want to present you some video content to explain you something. Nevertheless, by the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button if you want to support us, and if you like our contents. As you can see, every day we are preparing for you new content, new video content about the cryptocurrency market. And yes, what I'm saying, what we right now, I'm seeing the market structure break. For example, let me check. Yes, that's my path. And then yes, that is the price movement. And then after especially seeing the break up and net close into the candle into the daily, that means we are at the up, our current and most strong resistance area. What's our most strong resistance area? That's it. Final liquidity to take, as I noted, and you are seeing. We don't need that for now. Yes, clearing liquidity. I mean, which liquidity? From, yes, even March for 2024, we have a liquidity after the approving ETFs. Probably you remembered, we saw huge and gradually increasing to $73,000 as an ATH figure and peak high point on the Bitcoin price. And right now, Bitcoin returned and broke its own record all-time high figure and then touched $75,000, and that's why we absolutely can see that. And after especially closing at the daily time frame and long time frame, closing at the candle, right now we are absolutely seeing 100% and complete market structure break. I mean, what's the market structure break? That's the, you wanna see example. Right now you are seeing like this, and this. That's the what I wanna explain you. That's the example. And we absolutely need to first of all broke up from this area. Where is my path? Yes. That area is high, and if you wanna see the continuing bullish movement, you absolutely need to first of all see area. Price need to broke up 100%. There's no any failure return. What's a failure return? For example, oh my gosh. Hey, feel free. Okay, that's our first. And right now, if you are seeing, for example, still again our chart like this, like this, like this, and that is a failure. Oh my god, what happened into the deer? We are converted from bullish to bearish again. Everything's happening at there. I don't want to make this all long, by the way. Just want to explain you. Just want to express my feeling and show 100% what I want to say, what I want to explain you. Everything is happening to the. I mean, if you are not, what's a failure return? That's it. We are seeing, hey, yes, that's a market structure break, and the Bitcoin price, for example, at all the broke up, and we are seeing candle closing, and after that, what happened? Oh my gosh! Oh fuck! Don't do this! Don't do this! And then you are seeing, and wake up, you positions that already liquidated, and what happened? But market structure break? Not that's absolutely not working because you are seeing only that. That's a failure return, and maybe yeah, it can happen. By the way, we absolutely can be able to see failure return into the market from there. But right now, you are seeing we are waiting for just Mr. Donald Trump's any news about a Bitcoin, for example. I don't know what happened. I don't wanna. I don't want to open a lot of political topics into there because we absolutely just need to make money from there. That's why I'm not a politician. Uh, I like politics science at the same time, but nevertheless, don't forget forget about that. And then yes, you are seeing we absolutely had already clear final liquidity, and there was no any liquidity to take, and that's why Bitcoin's path, Bitcoin way is open to increase 800, 900,000, even $100,000, and that's why there is no any exact, even there's no any 50% summiting, and that's why I don't wanna make sure you about you absolutely need to click long and wait with minimum of 100x leverage. No, there is not nothing something, and we had already cleared all things, and we need to see some price movements on the range like this. For example, when we can see when we can make sure, yeah, probably the Bitcoin will first of all touch 800,000, 900,000, and finally 100,000. We absolutely need to see something at the, oh my gosh, what is that? We absolutely need to summering fluctuated prices onto price range, and after that we absolutely can start to think like this. Yeah, price is strong into the year, and buyer is stronger, buyer is bigger than sellers, and that's why we absolutely like this absolutely happen. And after that price can touch 18%. Why not 18%? What does mean 18%? 80,000, 90,000. Oh my gosh, give me my tool. 90,000 and 100,000 finally. Just that's my look, that's my view. There is no financial advice, as I said before. I want to say it again. And just take a look. Bitcoin dominance. Yes, right now Bitcoin dominance is damaged, is at the top notch point, and Bitcoin dominance is so strong. And right now we absolutely can. Yeah, we are at the exact bullish pattern. I wanna say that that's the bullish pattern is from trend line, and then just take a look monthly and daily, and yes, we had already broke up Fibonacci's 1.680 point, and then that means it can be touched first of all 2.6 and one at 3.6, and if it can be touched 70% or 72%, that means at the future, at the upcoming months, by the way, maybe, who knows, God knows, probably, until the end of the month, not end of the month, end of the year, I mean, end of the 2024, we absolutely can be able to see huge price increasing and movements to 80 and 90,000. And but you absolutely don't forget that if you are seeing the weakness into the price movement, that means price can't move, can't increase to 70 to 80 to 90,000, and that's why time to just look at and analyze and improve yourself about the education on the technical analysis and grab your attention on the Bitcoin chart. What can be happen, especially into the year in this situation, macroeconomy and some other things, which one related to that, absolutely 100% so matter, and that's why you absolutely need to follow our coin engineer Twitter, and you can get immediate news in the cryptocurrency market, coin engineer news Telegram channel, and then sure you can get a lot of an additional information from our coinengineer.net website. As you can see, we can provide whole of information and into the one after maximum 10 minutes. Yes, that's it what I want to say into this video. I hope you learned, you grab attention in commenting some topics about the election and their effects to Bitcoin future price and in general cryptocurrency market. Yeah, that's it, that's what I want to say in whole. And yes, if you like our content and if you want to support us, please don't forget to support us, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, and follow our socials finding from the description video. See you on the next bullish time.